Welcome to English with Lynn. Halo teman-teman, hari ini kita akan belajar reading practice. Reading merupakan salah satu input penting dalam belajar bahasa Inggris. Kunci dari reading practice adalah repetition dan juga connected reading atau menyambung-nyambungkan kata di dalam bahasa Inggris gitu. Oke, kita langsung aja ke passage atau contoh kutipan yang akan kita gunakan untuk latihan. Kita mulai dari kalimat yang pertama. The rate of food allergies around the world is increasing. The rate of food allergies around the world is increasing. The rise in food, the rise in food allergies has affected Western countries most. The rise in food allergies has affected Western countries most. Especially children are at risk. Dalam pengucapan bahasa Inggris Amerika, versi Amerika, huruf T yang bukan merupakan stress syllable itu biasanya dibaca sebagai flap T atau soft D atau juga dapat dibaca sebagai glottal T atau stop T karena huruf T-nya ini kalau kita membacanya sebagai glottal T dia kayak stop di bagian glotis kita, makanya dinamakan sebagai glottal T. Are at risk. Especially children are at risk. In some cases, allergies can dibaca sebagai can lead to dibaca sebagai t dalam connected speech atau connected reading. Allergies can lead to dangerous and even life-threatening situations. Can lead to dangerous and even life-threatening situations. N-nya, and, D-nya ini dihilangkan atau tidak dibaca kalau teman-teman menggabungkan antara and dan even life-threatening situations. Meskipun demikian, bisa juga dibaca sebagai kata yang utuh, and, even, dangerous and even life-threatening situations. More and more, lagi-lagi di sini and huruf D-nya itu tidak dibaca atau silent atau dihilangkan aja gitu teman-teman. More and more families must change their diets in order to fight allergies. More and more families must change. Huruf T-nya di kata must ini tidak dibaca. Must change their diets in order to fight allergies. Tapi kalau misalnya teman-teman membaca satu-satu kata atau perkata, itu harus jelas, terutama dalam belajar pronunciation. Must, and, must change their diets in order to fight allergies. Lagi-lagi, to dibaca sebagai te kalau dalam connected reading. Order to fight allergies. Children can be allergic. Children can be allergic. Children can be allergic. Stress syllable-nya dalam kata allergic adalah di syllable yang kedua. Allergic. To various types of food. Of dibaca sebagai of. Types of food. To various types of food. Above all, above all, above all, above all. Above all, milk and dairy products, milk and dairy products, milk and dairy products, nuts and fish. Milk and dairy products, nuts and fish. Connected reading. Milk and dairy products, nuts and fish. D-nya tidak dibaca. Milk and dairy products, nuts and fish. Ingat ya, SH. Fish, fish. Allergies are caused by allergens. Allergies are caused. Allergies are caused by allergens. Allergens, allergens, which are basically harmless substances. Which are basically harmless substances. Harmless substances. Harmless substances. Jadi S-nya di sini itu digabung, teman-teman. Kata dengan ending huruf S dan juga ketemu dengan kata dengan awalan huruf S. Harmless substances. Harmless substances. Harmless substances that the immune system Jadi ada dua versi pelafalan kata the. Bisa the, bisa the. Tergantung dari pengucapan silabel pertama dari kata selanjutnya. Kalau di sini kata selanjutnya diawali dengan vokal. Jadi the immune system, the immune system, the immune system tries to fight, tries to fight, tries to fight, tries to fight. Victims suffer from a variety of symptoms. Victims suffer from a variety of symptoms. Victims suffer from a variety of symptoms, including redness of the skin. Victims suffer from a variety of symptoms, including redness of the skin. The, bukan the skin, vomiting, diarrhea, and breathing difficulties. The skin, vomiting, diarrhea, bukan diare, tapi diarrhea and breathing difficulties. Connected and breathing, diarrhea and breathing, D-nya hilang. Diarrhea and breathing difficulties. In the United States, 8% of children have some form of allergy. In the United States, 8% in the United States, 8% of children have some form of allergy. 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 In Australia, 5% in Australia, 5% of all children are affected. In Australia, 5% of all children are affected. Kita ulang lagi dari awal. The rate of food allergies around the world is increasing. The rise in food allergies has affected Western countries most, especially children are at risk. In some cases, allergies can lead to dangerous and even life-threatening situations. Threatening. life-threatening situations. More and more families must change their diets in order to fight allergies. Children can be allergic to various types of food, above all, milk and dairy products, nuts and fish. Allergies are caused by allergens, which are basically harmless substances that the immune system tries to fight. Victims suffer from a variety of symptoms including redness of the skin, vomiting, diarrhea, and breathing difficulties. In the United States, 8% of children have some form of allergy. In Australia, 5% of all children are affected. Sekian, semoga bermanfaat. Sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya.